These 3D fruit videos are exploding on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts right now. Small channels are turning them into full series, and almost every video is hitting millions of views. And yes, they are making real money from it. Here's the best part. You don't need animation skills or expensive software. These videos are made using completely free AI tools, and today I'm showing you exactly how to do it. Open ChatGPT and paste the master prompt template. The link is in the description below. ChatGPT will guide you with a few simple questions. The first one is to define your characters. Here, I'll create fruit-based characters. I'll type the fruit name and describe what each character is wearing. This keeps your characters consistent throughout the entire video, which is very important for a professional look. You can also use vegetables or any creative object. The key is a strong, clear character description. ChatGPT will now generate 3 detailed character descriptions for you. Now open Google Flow AI, copy the character prompts from ChatGPT and paste them one by one into Flow AI to generate images. This step lets you preview exactly how your characters will look in the final video before you start building scenes. Review each image for consistency and visual appeal. If something looks off, simply click the image, note your changes, and regenerate. Flow AI fixes it in seconds. Go back to your Google Docs template and copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. It will generate around 10 scenes, each with a detailed image prompt and a short video prompt with dialogue. Now, copy each image prompt and paste it into Flow AI one by one to create all your scene visuals. Take your time here. Each image is a key scene in your story. Review everything and fix any images that don't look right. Now it's time to animate. Select the first image, click the 3 dots, and choose Animate. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for that scene. It includes the dialogue and action. Paste it into Flow AI and add No Music to keep the dialogue clear. Hit Generate. Repeat this for every scene until all clips are ready. Then download each video clip individually. Open CapCut and import all your video clips. Drag them onto the timeline in story order. Select all clips and create a compound clip, then scale slightly to remove the watermark. Add background music if you want, then export in 4K quality. And that's it. Your complete professional-looking viral video is ready to share. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next one.